Okay, I want to talk a little bit about patterns. We've done a lot of work for patterns in class, but let's think again about that word pattern and what it means. So the word pattern means something that's going to happen over and over the same way, right? Kind of like our word cycle when we talk about the weather and about seasons and about day and night. Something that happens the same way over and over. So our other vocabulary word when we were talking about patterns is the core. And do you remember what the core of a pattern is? Yeah, it's the part of the pattern that repeats. So we can use letters to show what kind of pattern we have. And right here, I've written one kind of pattern, and it's an A-B pattern. So that means we have a core that is only two things. That's our core, AB. And so I'm going to make an AB pattern here. So there I've got AB, 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 right? And our core is yellow, red. So then I'm repeating that pattern. Yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, red. And what would come next? Yeah, yellow. And then what would come next? Red. Beautiful. Okay, so what if I wanted to make a different core? What if I wanted to make a core that was an ABC core? Whoa, drop my pen. Hold, please. There we go. Okay, how about an ABC pattern? A, B, C. So that's going to be my core, A, B, C. And I'm going to start my pattern. A, B, C. Okay, so there's my core, green, red, yellow. So then what's going to come next? Yeah, another A, which happens to be green. And then what's next? Red. And then what's next? Yellow. So green, red, yellow, green, red, yellow. We call that an ABC pattern. Good. All right. Now I'm going to do one more. What about if I wanted to do something along these lines? An A, B, C pattern. Okay, A, B, C. Let's say my red was my A. So it's going to be red, red, and then let's try yellow, green. Does that make sense? Red, red, yellow, green. So it's A, B, C. So my core is red, red, yellow, green. The pattern is an A, B, C pattern. And so I know next I'm going to have an A, a B, and a C, right? So tell me what colors to put next. Oh yeah, I'm reaching for one. Okay, so I've got a red. Yep, another red. And then what comes next? A yellow and a green. So I've got red, red, yellow, green. Red, red, yellow, green. Beautiful. Okay, now I want you to get some objects. They don't have to be colorful counters like I have. They could be Legos. They could be a pretzel, a Cheeto, a Cheez-It, and a potato chip. They could be a penny, a nickel, a dime, and a quarter. Anything you want. And I want you to try to make yourself an A-B pattern, an A-B-C pattern, and an A-A-B-C pattern. So pick your two things and then practice repeating that pattern. Then pick a core of three things and practice repeating that pattern. Then pick a more complicated core like this and make a repeated pattern. So you are going to be pattern experts. Excellent. You know that we can also make patterns with things like numbers. Watch this. I'm going to make you an A-B pattern with numbers. What would go next? Sure. 1, 5. Good. I'm going to take some objects around here. Oh, I don't have very many of anything. Never mind. I can't do it with objects from my table because I don't have anything that I have enough of to repeat the pattern. Okay, you go try repeating your own pattern at home, okay? All right, good job. Read this message. There's a symbol for you know what. Okay, talk to you soon.